What's up you guys? So yesterday I posted a video of this crazy Ford Fiesta with this Lexus 3Z engine in doing an insane burnout, and I just thought I would try and find more of it. So I searched on the internet with no luck. But now luckily I am involved within the car community, so I'm often getting a lot of links to things that guys send me, you know, cool car related things. So just now one of my customers, or he also follows me, I do some work for him, he sent me a link to this guy's page where he actually does these Lexus conversions professionally. So he's done two Ford Fiestas, this newer model and the previous model, and also these little Ford Bantam pickups. He also put a V8 in there, which is insane. So I went on this guy's page and I actually spoke to him. He told me what he's done. So I went to his page and was looking around and I saw another video of the car on the dyno. So I did ask him for more videos and stuff, but he said I must just go to his page. So I'm going to put the clip in of the car on the dyno, and this thing just sounds insane, guys. Like honestly, imagine driving on the road and you come next to this thing at the stop and it sounds the way it does. Next thing you're like, okay, cool, let's go. And this thing pulls on you so hard. I mean, you know, all that torque. This thing's making like, I think 337 horsepower. That's honestly, I mean, it's not insane numbers, but for that car, that's amazing. And also I just want to apologize in advance for poor video quality. It was a video that I got off Facebook from this guy's page after I spoke to him. So I don't know if he doesn't have any videos to send me, but he just said I must go and find them on his page. So yeah. But enough talking. I'm just going to insert the clip so you guys can check it out on the dyno and actually hear what it sounds like.